Alright, hey, what's going on, guys? So in for repair today, what I have is a iPhone 7 Plus, and what's going on with it is it has an issue with the charging port. Let me go ahead and show you guys that. Alright, so here it is, the iPhone 7 Plus, and right now there's nothing coming from the charging port. I did earlier have it kind of turning on and off. Let's go ahead and let's test it though to see what's going on with it with another charging port to see if it actually just needs a charging port replacement, because I think that's all it needs. Let's go ahead and test that. All right, so first thing what you want to do is remove the bottom screws, 1, 2. Next, get your pry tool. You guys always see me use this tool. This one I find a little bit easier than all the other ones to use, and then you just go ahead and just pop the screen up. Okay, we're going to disconnect the charging port, which is right here, and connect up another one kind of loosely, just to test it to see if that's the issue. So we got 4 more screws to remove, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next I'm going to disconnect the battery, disconnect the screen. Actually, we don't have to disconnect the screen. Let's just disconnect the battery, and let's disconnect the charging port. Here's our new charging port that we're going to be replacing this one with. So let's connect up our battery, connect up our replacement charging port, and let's test it. Okay, so it's powering on, and charging current looks very stable, which lets me know that all this phone needs is a charging port. That's a charging current, which means that it's very stable. It's not dropping off. So let's go ahead and let's replace this charging port, and that should be it for this repair. Back in and do one final test. I didn't feel the need to walk through the whole procedure on this one. It was pretty self-explanatory, I think, which was just changing the charging port. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's plug this up. Okay, and it's turning on. While it's turning on, let's go ahead and put our screws back in. Okay, there we go, it's charging, and as you can see, steady voltage. If we turn off the screen is off and it's charging. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.